Hi, my name is Michtas. I'm the digital dynamo at Turkana. I'm going to tell you today about MOLLE and why we use it extensively on our luggage systems and why you absolutely need to understand how to connect it properly. So first of all, MOLLE stands for modular load carrying equipment, which is pouches, bags that connects to a webbing system. The webbing system is called PALS, which stands for pouch attachment ladder system. It's quite a mouthful. In essence, it's a very good, secure, adaptable way that the armed forces and NATO have been using for many years. It's standardized to connect bags to each other, so it's easy to configure luggage, and it's a reason why we will use it extensively with Turkana, because you can configure and adapt your luggage to whatever trip you will be doing, and it's a very secure way to attach those pouches. First of all, you need to understand that there's a correct way of doing this, and it's a wrong way, and the wrong way will eventually you'll leave your stuff behind somewhere on the road. The bag will fall off or whatever the case may be. There's only one way, and it is only Chuck Norris and the Marines. It doesn't need to watch the video. For the rest, I would recommend that stay with me and I'll quickly show you how to do it. It's not a long video. So you basically have these two straps, and on our 3-liter bags there's a gap between them because it fits a little bit wider on the back. On the OxPacker they sit right next to each other, so you use the straps on the PALS, which is right next to each other. On the bigger bags you'll use the gap in between. You will not fit it through that one. Basically start from the top, thread it through. It's like weaving, maybe some of you would know. Then you go back through the next one on the back, the next line of webbing. Go through it, pull it tight, and then you go through the next piece of webbing. It takes a few seconds to figure it out when you do it the first time, but it's not that difficult. You'll get the grasp of it quite quick. Again, you go through the next line on the webbing, so each and every one must go through. You cannot skip them. If you skip them, your bag's gonna rip off at some stage if you overload the little bags. Okay, and then again, like I do there, you go through the last one on that one, on the little bag. Okay, and then on the last row of the PALS on the duffel bag, and the same will happen to the hippo hips and every other luggage system we offer that can accept the MOLLE and the PALS system. And then clip it into the clips there, and that is it. This bag will never come off. So, and this is how you fit MOLLE. In any case, I hope you found it valuable, but this is the correct way to fit MOLLE. Happy trails and see you again. Cheers.